Hi there, San Francisco Bay. Really excited that you're joining the Higgins family. Very excited that you're working with us to actually help make your life a lot easier in BNI. We're introducing this new Higgins AI, which we'll go over in a little bit, that really is there to decrease and try to reduce the amount of admin burden. That really is the elephant in the room. That really is the one that causes you to spend so much time looking for visitors, getting your presentations ready, going out there trying to expand your power team, all of these things that are very critical for you to do as BNI members, yet take a lot of time to do. And what it does is it reduces time for you to connect with individuals, to connect with visitors, to connect with your power team, and also to grow your business, which is very important. So we're very excited that Higgins is here. You're going to see an introduction to what Higgins is doing today, but I promise you, every single month there'll be new additions to what Higgins can do tomorrow, and I actually give you some sneak preview as to what's coming up down the pipeline. So let's get into it. So the first axis when you want to get into Higgins is you press this Ask BNI, and it tells you where you're located. And if you click on what is BNI, you'll see it gives you a whole preview of what BNI SFBay is, right? So it's focusing on your region. It's not about just any region, it's your region that matters. Now, if you go into BNI specifics, okay, and you happen to be a real estate agent, you don't want to happen to see all of the different things that BNI could do for a lawyer or for anybody else or some general statement. You want it to be specific to you, and that's what it does here. It actually looks specifically at what matters to you as a real estate agent, which is buying and selling. Now, if you want to get invited, a very simple click of the form and boom, you enter your name, you complete the information, and you are now getting invited to a chapter, right? Finding a chapter. That's also very easy. You just click on it, click on a region, an area that you're looking at. It'll give you all the chapter names, the meeting times, the visit links, the contact information so that you can email them directly. Very critical for you to be able to understand, to figure out, and for visitors to figure out what's available out there instead of looking at this big list. Now, if you're looking at applying to an area, right? So you look at a different area, you can click on that, and Higgins will walk you through all the different chapters that are in that area that you can apply to. And this is getting more and more advanced and more critical as we move forward with that. Now, member expectations. We did a bunch of listening sessions with your leadership, and they told us that membership expectations is very critical. For especially for visitors who think, what does BNI entail? What does it matter for them before they apply, so that they know what they get into. Now, BNI acronyms is also key, because sometimes we don't know what the acronyms mean, and it's difficult sometimes to ask someone because we feel like, well, we should know what thank you for closed business means, right? But not everybody knows that. So now you can get into Higgins, enter it. This is also great for visitors as well. They can figure out what the acronyms is without even asking anybody. Now, if you want to create a presentation, the first thing we recommend is that you look at your LCD or topics, right? Create a topic that is critical to you, that is relevant to you. So sometimes you have to click the button twice for Higgins, and depending on your internet connection. So let's say you're in AI, okay? It'll give you all of the different topics you can talk about in your presentations in AI. So you select one of those topics. In this case, we're selecting AI for small business. Put that in there, and then all of a sudden it can create a weekly presentation that is based on AI for small businesses, providing affordable tools that can transform small business operations. So here you enter your name, and you can put your full name, your first name, your last name, your title, is very critical. You can then put in the type of business that you own. Again, just because you're doing AI topics, and your business can be a law business. You can do AI for law, right? The name of your business, and boom, it gets you at your presentations. And the key is it follows the 5 steps that are basic for BNI presentations, and an I help statement, an LCD product, a call to action, a close, and an introduction. right? Now, if you want to add a memory hook, right, and you want to spice it up a little bit, you can do things like you can redo, you can add laughter, you can make it more funny. Here we added a memory hook. Remember when small businesses think AI, think Higgins AI. Your partner in making small impacts with smart technology. Again, very simple. This feature is about podcasts. Learning, getting your CEUs are very important, right? So here you can quickly look at different podcasts that have been put out there, amazing podcasts by BNI, and you can click on those and you can easily get your CEUs and learn a lot of new things about how to work in BNI. The more you learn about working in BNI, the easier it is going to be to take advantage of that. And then finally, we have our contact information. Who do you contact at SFBay and Higgins as well? So I hope you like this little demo. We've got more coming, more features coming, and we're very excited to be working with you as we grow this product and we grow your business and your chapter. Thank you very much for listening. Have a great day. Cheers.